Hey guys! In this video we will show you how we take care of our Sphynx cats. We hope this could be helpful for those who are thinking about buying one.
They get really dirty necks. And they get dirty eyes. They get dirty mouth.
And nose.
And nose and dirty ears, if you see there.
Now the cats are so dirty, so they must take a bath.
Do you hear it? You must take a bath. We usually take this hip Familienbad, and this is made for babies, so it's not aggressive to the skin. Next, what you have to check is that the water is in a good temperature. So if you like to take a bath in it, then the cats will also like it. They will hate it when it's too cold, and they will really hate it when it's too hot. Now they're waiting for their bath. They look already a bit excited. Are you? Meow. Yeah. That's good. Our second baby. Yeah. They're getting a bath every week.
Because they get so dirty.
Yeah, in the summer it's bad because they start sweating like a human, and then the skin gets the brown color. You have to clean the nails because here you see there is also this brown dirt. So just check every nail that it's clean. After the bath we sometimes put the hoodies on because then they are not freezing, and when we take them outside, when it's not so warm, then we also take the hoodies. So when you wash the cats and they have still dirt in the nails, then we take this wet papers, and with these wet papers you can easily remove it. You just take the paw in your hand and you push the claw out, and then you wipe the dirt off from there. And there you see, it was really dirty. Next paw, Simba. So you must cut these nails. It's for their own protection, and they might hurt each other if you don't do it. If you love your furniture, please cut the nails because it will look like this. So now we will start cutting. So we will take the baby in this position. We use this clamp, and then we pull the nails out one for one. How is this called? Toe tip. Is it a toe? Hey! Simba, now your ears will be cleaned. Yeah, you like it, huh? I don't know why they always eat this. So next we need to clean the ears with the Q-tips. Hey, let me clean it. Yeah, because the cats are not having hairs, so there will be a lot of dirt in the ears for a time. So you take the cat, you watch where it is, and you just clean it. You can make that a bit wet, then it leaves easier, but be careful that you don't go too deep in the ear because this might hurt the cat. You go like this. Just turn it a little bit around and then you see already there is much dirt in the ears. And you continue on the other side. Oh, is it itching, huh?
Thanks for watching the video and good luck with your future Sphynx cat.